Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Diagnostic Policy Service Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To begin the walkthrough for Diagnostic Policy Service Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Diagnostic Policy Service Library. Part of the Diagnostic Policy Service, DPS, this library is responsible for detecting and troubleshooting Windows system problems. It manages the automated repair routines and logging for system crashes. If missing, the Troubleshoot feature in Windows settings will fail to initialize, and the system cannot auto-fix network or driver issues. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Diagnostic Policy Service Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Diagnostic Policy Service library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Diagnostic Policy Service Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Diagnostic Policy Service Library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Diagnostic Policy Service Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.